guys, Sid D here and welcome to another video. Let's begin. So for today's video, I have with me a digital tablet from Huion and it is the GT221 Pro. In the past, Huion tablets has been exceptionally good like the 220V2. Huion is one of those companies who has the best standing in the tablet industry when it comes to bang to buck ratio. So I decided to reach out to Huion regarding this tablet and they were courteous enough to sponsor this video. So I got my package delivered a few days back and I thought let's share it with you about the experience. Well, let's start the unboxing and see what's in this humongous box that we have in front of us. Okay, so the first thing we see is a thank you note from Huion. Interesting. This looks like an accessory box. This looks like a smudge-proof glove, a screwdriver, a power cable, USB cable, and a cleaning cloth. Let's move to the big gun now. On the top, it is the driver CD and looks like a user manual. And that's the stand. Okay, in this box it looks like it's the tablet pen. It has an extra 4 nibs and a nib removal ring. That's the HDMI cable. And the other one looks like a VGA cable. And finally, here's the beauty. I can see my reflection, as do you guys. Well, that certainly looks like a design upgrade than the 220V2. So on both sides we have customizable buttons which we can use as shortcuts. On the back it has 3 basic ports: power, USB port, VGA and HDMI port. The pen that comes along with the tablet happens to have over 8000 levels of pressure sensitivity. On the top is the power and other menu buttons. Coming to its uses. It is not only helpful for 2D artists but to 3D artists as well. We can use 3ds Max or Maya for modeling and animation, or Mudbox for sculpting like this person working right now. It can also act as a secondary screen so you can do all the stuff like your main screen but with a touch and as simple as surfing YouTube. It is a goldmine for 2D artists. You can draw, sketch, paint and whatnot directly on the screen just like doing it on the paper. And if you don't want your handprints on the screen, just wear the smudge-proof glove that comes along with the tablet. Well, that will be all from me today. So all in all, it is worth every penny spending on this tablet. The links are in the description below. It is me, Sid D, signing off. See you guys in the next video.